Let's talk about the fascinating topic, which is getting tons of media attention on artificial intelligence, the upgrading of ChatGPT to Series 4.0, the launching of Bard, another AI engine, all of which is really fascinating and interesting and has had many sort of surprising results. We've heard many calls for uh, people to say, put a stop on it, put a hold on it. We need to hold this back. There are unintended consequences. And frankly, there are unintended consequences of everything that we do as we advance ourselves in society, whether that be the development of cars and all the unintended consequences of realizing what hydroplaning was about, and car accidents, and the need for seatbelts, and the need for uh, safety bags for crashes. So the way we've solved that problem is to advance our knowledge, to advance our technology, and then to solve the problems as we come across them. The only way to put a pause on it is to end the discovery of the weaknesses. And some of the weaknesses have been fascinating. I'm sure some of you saw a New York Times article by someone who queried, I think it was ChatGPT, and asked uh, if it asked various questions. And at one point, the ChatGPT expressed uh, their love for the New York Times article writer, and then tried to convince him to divorce his wife, which is really kind of strange. A bunch of other different examples where they asked to recommend 5 books and give a brief synopsis of each book. Unfortunately, on further checking, the books were completely fake. They didn't exist. So it was maybe good ideas for the next book, but not a meaningful interaction in terms of reality. So looking into that, you may have heard, if you haven't, you will, about AI hallucinations, which means that it's just complete confabulation. The search engine, the AI, not a search engine, it's an AI engine, literally just makes up stuff. So what are the lessons here? That we pause this? No, heck no. What are the lessons? That we should be afraid of this? No, no, we should actually be cautiously optimistic. I think we should be using artificial intelligence in almost every venue to explore further options for how to solve a problem, or to explore a problem, to start a first draft. There have even been calls to eliminate the use of artificial intelligence for generating art or generating music, which is just crazy. I mean, why wouldn't we want to see? Are we afraid to compete with computers? We failed in the past. Computers play better chess than us, and other games, which we thought were exclusively in our purview. But there's opportunities to improve and learn, and we should be running with those opportunities. With those opportunities, though, are indeed risks. So we need to have, constant regulation, constant oversight, constant review of the validity, and thereby we can protect ourselves for the unintended consequences and be on top of it. So this is just an exciting time to be learning about this, to be seeing it, to make sure that AI is used in a safe and productive way, but certainly not to stop its development, and to just proceed cautiously. Love your thoughts or opinions on that. As always, a pleasure chatting with you, and have a great day.